welcome everybody. About it, Two Pops Breaks. It is Tuesday, June the 14th. We are breaking 5-box jerseys plus. It is a 1-box break. Randomed up our 18 remaining box numbers. We got box number 13. We did random teams on the left. Teams customer has been randomized, alphabetized. Gave everybody a chance to trade. Nothing happening though, so here we go. Wow, guys, well, going to be a Houston hit in the Carlos Correa, folks. Oh, and unfortunately, guys, bam, also going to be our Barry Sanders, our second Barry Sanders hit of the night. Bam! That one has TriStar certification. Minnesota gonna get the freebie spot, guys. So Minnesota getting the freebie. Again, guys, this has the factory fold everything on it. So if you want me to open it, I will, folks. But I just prefer to keep her closed on that. So who did hit that though? Gonna be a Detroit hit. Oh, that one going to Phil. Let's see the career real quick. Bam. We got a Carlos Correa, JSA. On that one for Houston. Well, Bengals gonna take that. Stumbling in, man. Bengals been having some luck in a damn room, man. Seems like every other break he's joined, he's been hitting something. Goes to Bengals. Barry goes to Phil. Minnesota spot. Who got the freebie there? Well, GG, you get the free spot, bud. So that is going to wrap up that one. Breakers.tv, YouTube, Facebook, Twitch, 8 p.m. Central, Bobby 2 Pops.